That annoying hesitation you feel when you step on the gas, or the way your engine seems like it is about to stall out at every stop sign, might be because your car is suffering from a massive disagreement between its primary air sensors, specifically the P006A code. This code is all about the correlation between the manifold absolute pressure sensor, which we call the MAP, and the mass air flow sensor known as the MAFE. Specifically, on bank 1, your engine's computer, the PCM, is like a master chef that needs to know exactly how much air is coming into the kitchen so it can add the perfect amount of fuel. When the EMIF sensor says one thing and the EMIP sensor says another, the computer loses its mind and has no idea how to time the ignition or deliver the fuel, which is why your car starts acting so sluggish. This is a pretty serious code because it directly affects your engine's performance and can even cause it to run way too lean or way too rich, which is bad for your catalytic converter. Before you start replacing expensive sensors, you absolutely have to check for vacuum leaks. Any air that sneaks into the engine through a cracked intake pipe or a loose vacuum hose is called unmetered air, and it is the #1 reason these two sensors stop agreeing with each other. Use a manual vacuum pressure gauge to make sure your engine is actually pulling a strong vacuum first. If that looks good, check the connector on your EMAFS sensor because, believe it or not, people often forget to plug it back in after changing the air filter. If everything is plugged in and there are no leaks, grab your digital multimeter and check the reference voltage, which should usually be 5 volts. You want to see if the signal voltage changes smoothly as you rev the engine. If the sensor signal is reaching the plug but not the computer, you have an open circuit in the wiring. Take your time with this one because finding a tiny crack in a plastic air pipe is a lot cheaper than buying a brand new PCM that you probably did not even need.